Hello everyone, hello cocktail connoisseur. I am Davide Norcini and I am the new assistant manager of this new opening, Stravinsky's Parfumerie. It is an absolute pleasure to be here with you today and to show you one of our best sellers. So let's talk about the cocktail that we're gonna make. It's a twist on a Pornstar Martini. Well, I think that is very famous already, the Pornstar Martini, so we don't need to talk about it. So now we're gonna make a nice twist on it, chilling first our glass. And it's gonna be a stirred cocktail, not a shaken one. So we're gonna fill our beautiful mixing glass with ice, also with a little flair, as you like it. And then what we did basically, we did a little clarification with this. Basically there is rum, there is a rhubarb liqueur and lemon juice that is being clarified with with the vanilla yogurt. So you have the vanilla flavor as in the Pornstar Martini, but with the passion fruit and the champagne are gonna come later. So we respect pretty much the classic recipe of it. And now we're gonna make the 100 ml pour of the pre-batch. There you go. And we're gonna keep it in the mixing glass for chilling. We're gonna give it a little stir and we're gonna top it off with a nice foam. So there you go. As I told you before, the foam is made with champagne and passion fruit. So we have vanilla, we have passion fruit, we have champagne. We changed the vodka for the rum, but it's still a nice twist of an Pornstar Martini. That's, I repeat, one of the best sellers in our bar. And you can tell because it tastes delicious. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna serve it in this nice, beautiful rock glass. There you go. And we're gonna top it off with our beautiful foam. It is champagne, passion fruit, and also a little bit of salt, okay, to enhance all these beautiful flavors. There you go. So as you can see, it's very different from a Pornstar Martini, but looks very elegant with different textures and a nice yellow color. I hope you guys enjoy it. And guys, to enjoy it even more, I know the cocktail is already delicious like this, but we are in a perfumery, so we're gonna finish it off with this Tiki perfume, Tiki number 1.